Assalamu alaikum, well known and well people. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I'm doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Pranto. Today, I'm going to share with you in this video my village small river view. You can see at this moment I'm still here on the bridge. This bridge located in the river. So, this bridge few days ago has created and my behind part is my behind part my blessed river view. You can see this is flower, it's called water hyacinth. This Bangla name is kosuri and English name also you can say water plant and particularly water hyacinth, and this is water hyacinth flower. It's look like just awesome. So this river located my blessed behind part, particularly north side. This river south side my village all houses, schools, field and everything and agriculture field. So this river is very important for our village farmers, not only my village farmers but also this side has another village, this village people, because this village water the farmer can use for agriculture purpose and another thing. So and few days later the jute harvest, that time we have to use this river, and also most of the time many cows they eat the grass in the river. You can see my behind part also few cows. This is eating the grass and I am making video. So and also this river one side have my betel leaf field. Many people there plant many types of vegetables in the river. So no more today, inshallah next day I will share with you another topic. That's all about today video topic.